Right, William here with the Car Takers. I'm here with this absolutely beautiful, all original Hilux 1988 Toyota Surf Wagon. And I'm going to do a cold start video. So we have the hood popped. Anyway, okay. Cold start video. Let's see. These are nice and cool. It's been sitting here for probably 2 or 3 days. So let's start it up. Right-hand drive. And here we go. So key goes in here. So that tells you in Japanese to not forget your toll booth money. I mean, this thing is just incredible. Everything's been gone through, oil changed, everything's been looked at. I believe the belt is new, and also the transmission has been serviced, flushed, and it's ready to go. Runs beautifully. Still cold. That'll take a while to warm up.